Today we are going to open my package from Amazon haul, and I am not talking about doing an Amazon haul. I am talking about the Amazon haul. Amazon haul is Amazon's new storefront to compete with Shein and Temu. It offers crazy low prices, and that is their words, not mine. You can only access this from the app. If you want to know more about Amazon haul, you can check out my video above where I did my first unboxing and I show some screenshots on how to get there. Now, I did get this for 50% off because that was the day or the whole weekend of Black Friday clearance from Amazon haul. So I got some really good prices. Everything in here, I think it was $29 for all the things I got in this package. Now, as far as shipping time, it really varies. I ordered twice. I ordered on Black Friday, and then again, I ordered on the day after Black Friday. The Black Friday order got here within a week, which is that video I already told you about. And then this order right here took a whole month to get here. So I was hoping to get it before Christmas because that's what I was told. And then there were shipping delays at the last minute, so I got it the 26th of December. Which is fine. It wasn't things I had to have, although there were some Christmas presents in here, but they're for my daughter. Her birthday's in March. It's okay. This shirt itself is actually from my last Amazon haul, and when I unboxed it in my first video, I wasn't really a fan of it, but I washed it. Love it so much. It fits perfectly. Then I went to buy another one, and here's the thing about Amazon haul. It was out of stock. And so then I looked for another shirt that I had bought on Amazon haul that I really like to try to buy, and it also was out of stock. So if you are browsing Amazon haul, my biggest tip that I can give you is just buy it. Just buy it because it's sort of like a clearance spot, I would think, and once they're gone, they're probably gone. So now let's get into the unboxing of my package. I can't remember how many things are in here. It shows up. Your Amazon haul orders do show up on your regular Amazon orders, but I haven't looked except for when it was coming, and now that it's come, I don't even really remember. So let's see. Oh yes, these are for my daughter. I got some beauty blenders. They were like $1.99 and then 50% off, so it was a good deal. They are, I mean, they look pretty standard, so I think she's gonna love them. Oh my gosh, I loved this so much. Can you see? She loves mushrooms. Let me see if I can take it out because I'm super excited to see. It's a glasses case. How cute is that? Oh, it even comes with little lens wipes. Yeah, that is really cute and nice. Absolutely love that. She's gonna like that too. I'm gonna save that probably till her birthday. These I might just give her now. What else is in the bag? Oh, this. Interesting. It has a rubber band on it, but this is a cute little t-shirt I got for her. I'll save this for her birthday too. It has mushrooms on it. Let's open it up. Oh, it is pretty soft. How cute. Isn't that just the cutest? It's hard to see because there is a glare, but I think that is a cute little shirt. This is one of the things I went to go try to buy another one on, just because I kind of liked it after I bought it and it was out of stock. But she will like this. She's a small. This also has that really shiny material, which I did not like for this shirt in my first video. And after I washed it, it died down. Also, the smell isn't as bad as a lot of the stuff I had in my last video. Oh, these are fun. These are for me. I have 3 dogs, and I like to make them fun treats. So they are just little silicone molds. They're pretty flimsy, but they will do the job to make dog treats. I like to make them like frozen ones. I don't know if they're bakeware safe. I didn't even look. This, I don't even know. Cute knife set. I don't think I would buy a knife. Well, we're going to find out. What the? Oh, it is a cat with a knife. It's a little keychain. This is also supposed to be in my daughter's stocking. She has a new kitten, and so, his name is Vinny, and she says what a psycho he is. So there's that. How cute is that? She'll like that. I don't know what. I don't know. I'll give that to her. Whatever. What else is in here? A random bag. I don't know. It says it's a knit shirt. Right. This is probably for me because I did also buy a couple shirts. I don't have enough clothes, and I don't have any money to buy new clothes. So I thought, saving. I mean, everything was 50% off. It was such a great deal. Oh, I really like this. It's like a waffle knit. Kind of soft. It doesn't smell horrible. I don't know what was wrong with that first order I got. So yeah, it is pretty thin, but that's cute. It's a little 3/4 button. Yeah, all the button holes are there. I think that is cute. It'll be perfect for lounging around the house, or I might even be able to wear it to work. I work in a school, so it's pretty casual. This is, I have no idea. Oh, headbands. These are for me, if they fit. I have a hard time finding headbands that don't like kill my head, so I thought, why not try them from Amazon Haul? And they're just 3 little rat headbands. I think they were like, they were cheap. I know they were. I wouldn't have bought them. This is one of those African, it's a set of 3 like bathing towels, I guess. I wanted this because I had seen how you need to exfoliate your skin. What is going on with my hair today? So I did sock curl my hair. If you haven't seen my video, I will link it above. And it is just a little bit curlier than normal. But I do love sock curls, so they are absolutely fun. So I would definitely recommend if you want an easy way to curl your hair. It doesn't usually turn out this crazy. And I think this is the last thing in the bag. Yes. This has like a Ziploc. It's another shirt. I know it's for me. I remember it. And it is really soft. Everything is made out of like polyester and rayon. There's no cotton to be found, but they have really changed how great polyester can feel. I mean, it used to always be such a negative thing, but now I'm more open to trying it. So it is just, that's cute. Has like a little nautical vibe. Yeah, I really like that. So that is everything I got. Like I said, everything I got was $29, but it was all 50% off because there was a 50% off Black Friday deal. I think I might be addicted to Amazon Haul because I have made one more order. They had a 65% off sale one day that I happened to see while I was browsing Amazon. And so I bought a bunch of Christmas shirts, because I work in a school and we do like a spirit day every day of Christmas, and my Christmas shirts were lacking. I have a lot of short sleeve ones, which who buys those? I don't know. I do, obviously. But I was looking for some long sleeve ones, so I did get those because they were 65% off. I will show you them when they come in because I think it's kind of interesting to see the kind of stuff you can get from Amazon Haul. At least it is for me. And if you want to follow along, subscribe so that you can see the next video. But yeah, I think I have been really happy with the stuff I've gotten from Amazon Haul so far. And I will just keep watching for sales because it is crazy low prices, but I like to always feel like I'm getting an even more crazy low deal. And getting all this stuff for $29 was great. It would have been a good deal for $60 because like this shirt itself is really nice. I mean, and this one also really nice. So if you want to follow along, like I said, subscribe and you can see my next Amazon haul.